YouTube family. What's going on with y'all today, man? Hey, we back, man. Another unboxing video, man. Hey, glad to have y'all with me today on this special video, man. Today we got a shoe that your boy never imagined having in the collection, man. This is a shoe that I picked up at SneakerCon. Seen it for the first time ever at SneakerCon Atlanta. When I was at SneakerCon Atlanta, I picked these shoes up for the first time. My first initial thoughts was, man, this shoe is not worth the money that it's going for. Not worth that much money. I would never pay that much for this shoe. So I just gently put it back down and I was like, okay, on with my day. I wasn't thinking about these shoes at all. Like, I didn't even look back at the resale price to watch it how I usually do on a shoe that I like. You know what I'm saying? I normally eye shoot for a while if I like it to see what that market is doing. But back in my head, I was like, I'm never gonna get them shoes. And it's a silhouette, the brand I rock with heavy, but the silhouette of this in particular shoe I don't have. Actually, I think I'm a hype beast, because this might be my first, it is, not even might. This is the only shoe of this silhouette that I have in my collection. And of course, hey, it's a hype shoe, so hey, I'm a hype beast, man. It is what it is. But anyway, before we get into this hype beast shoe that your boy picked up, if this is your first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, hey, it's your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy, the hype beast, because I know that's better what they want to call me. But hey, man, sticks and stones may break my bones, but words may never hurt, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't worried about it. But anyways, man, make sure y'all smash that subscribe button. If this is y'all first time stopping through, man, or y'all a returning visitor, man, glad to have y'all with us. And we on the road to 100K, so go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Be a part of the fam, man. Help us achieve that goal. And in advance, welcome to the family, man. But hey, let's go ahead and check out what your boy done got that is making me live up to my hype beast name and that I thought I would never get in my collection, man. Let's go ahead and check it out. Ooh, Bird, I appreciate you. Neighborhood, hey, I appreciate you. My guys, hey, I appreciate y'all, man. Bang, man. I do have a package here, man. This was shipped from my guy, Bird Kicks, which y'all know, y'all hear me talk about quite often. That's my guy. But it came from Neighborhood Kicks. That's my guy. That's my guy, man. Hey, I just got plugged in with him and he's a legit dude. Very, very dope, kind people. Like, hey, I rock out with him, man. So make sure y'all give him a follow. I will link both of my guys down below in the description box. So make sure you check both of them out. But yeah, man, hey, it got a little cold in my area too, so your boy had to pull out a hoodie, man. Y'all like, why is he wearing a hoodie? We about to get into the video, y'all, but hey, you know I gotta give credit where credit is due, man. Big shout out to Elite Miami, man. They from the crib, bro. Big shout out to Elite Miami 305, as you can see right there. Elite Miami. Dope hoodie. Can go with your UNC 1s or your University Blue 4s, whichever. Check out the back of it, as you can see right there. It does have that printing on the back with that you know, that painting, you know what I'm saying? They got on that Air Jordan 1s back there, you know what I'm saying? Dope, nice, comfortable hoodie. You know, hoodie season about to be over, but you can grab you one for next year because it's always gonna come back around, man. So, hey, grab you one of these. Check out Elite Miami 305, man. Hey, that's the home team. But I will link them down below as well, man. Make sure y'all check them out. Give them a follow. But anyways, man, y'all be telling me I be taking too long to unbox these packages, but I gotta get my point across. You know, I gotta give shout outs and stuff like that, man. But anyways, let's go ahead and open up this box. I do not have my box cutter. Let me grab some scissors, man. Yeah, so I just magically made these scissors appear because I wasn't gonna have them throw me no scissors. You know how scissors is, man. I end up with a hole in my hand. But anyways, let me open this with some scissors, since I can't open it with my hands because them boys be securing these packages the way they be packing it up. Hey, shout out to my guy Bird, bro, cause he be protecting packages, boy. One thing about him, you gonna get you a dang, I needed me a knife, but one thing about him, you gonna get your package in the same condition as it left in, as far as the box inside of the package, because boy, he be wrapping them joints up. But yeah, we just gonna rip it open at this point, cause I'm ready to see him. I'm ready. But yeah, man, popping open the box. As I said, my boy my boy got this thing in here secured. I already know how he do. Look, I got it all ripped up, but you see he got it packaged all nice, man. Shout out to Bird for the always giving me the good packaging to make sure my boxes get here in prestige condition, man. But bang, we got our all white box, man. What can be in this all white box? Don't know if you can see it, but right here on the lid it reads Force. So yes, this box has Force. So taking a look at this box, man, I mean it's just white, you know. That's the only thing that you have written on the box. Everything else is plain. Do you got Nike branding? You don't even have no branding on the bottom of this box. Like, exclusive, you know what I'm saying? Exclusive, man. Hey, big shout out to my guys again, man. I truly appreciate them for this package, man. Like the deal that I got on this shoe, I was like, how do you want the payment? That's all I was asking. How do you want it? I'm sending it now. So, hey, man, big shout out to them again for blessing me, man. But enough with the talking, man. I know y'all ready to see it. The size tag on this one reads Air Force One. Yes, I'm a hype beast. I don't own any Air Forces. I wanted to get me a pair of all whites, but wasn't able to get them because they were sold out all in my area. But I'm still looking for a pair of all white crispy clean lows, you know what I'm saying? I owned several pairs of Air Forces back in the day, but as of lately I ain't own none. But anyway, 07 Virgil. This shoe isn't from 07, but 07 Virgil. They retail for $150. So take a quick look at that size tag, man. Take a quick look. Yeah, it's almost been 10 minutes until I showed y'all the shoe, man. But hey, well worth the wait, man. Check out what we got inside this package, man. Slide it open. Bang! Ooh! Ooh! Still got that fresh smell to it, man. Yes, sir. Yes. Oh my god. Bang! Yes, man. Your boy has the off-white Air Force One MCAs, man. Yes. Got them in the collection, bro. I never thought that I would get these shoes in the collection because they were just too expensive, man. They were out of my range, you know what I'm saying? And it's not a shoe that I had like heavily on my radar like they were a must cop. Like, it was like, okay, they cool. It's a lot of hype behind them, but I don't see what the special hype behind it to be costing what it is, man. So lace bag, as you can see, still attached. Nike branding on it, man. All that OG all, man. So big shout out to Birds Kicks and Neighborhood Kicks, man, for blessing me with the off-white MCAs, bro. Like, this is crazy to be holding these in my hand. In my size, I told him, I said I will be definitely throwing these on feet. So hey, stay tuned. Y'all will be seeing me wearing these soon. Like, y'all probably be seeing me wear these in like real life, you know what I'm saying? Hey, but yes, man, like off-white MCAs in the collection, man. Very dope shoe. I can see like the quality on it, like the quality looks crazy. Like, look at the tumbling on that toe box if it would clear up. Do you see that tumble? That tumble, nice plush wrinkled leather on that toe box, man. Nice leather, quality leather on this shoe, man. But it is still, to my opinion, they're not worth the price that they're going for. But anyways, man, video has been long enough. Y'all like you took this long to show the shoes, but hey, man, we just was chopping it up, bro. We was just talking. But anyways, thank y'all for watching yet another unboxing from your boy, man. Got these in the collection, definitely going on feet. I will keep my word, man, to my word. So yo, man, hey, if y'all want me to make a separate video with these on feet, man, give me 1.2 thousand likes, man. 1.2K likes on this video, and you know we gonna swap them out. We're not gonna do blue laces. We will, but we're not gonna do blue. We're not gonna do white. We're gonna do some crazy lace swaps with these, man. So make sure y'all hit that like button if y'all want to see your boy do something crazy with these. Throw them on feet, all that good stuff. But man, hey, MCAs in the collection. Thank you guys for making this happen. I truly appreciate y'all. Y'all stay blessed. I'm going to the next one, man. Whew. Peace.